What's going on, YouTube family? It's me again. This time I'm by myself. I'm not with my brother. I know usually we record videos by... Damn it! So this time I'm not with my brother. I'm actually here by myself with a really good friend of mine that I recently have acquainted myself with. Today's video is just gonna be a vlog reviewing certain equipment like a selfie flip screen thing that I'm gonna try it out. And there's other components that I want to consider speaking about in this video. So without further ado, I want to introduce you to my model slash really good friend of mine, actually. She's down to earth. I'll link her social media down below. She's got a YouTube. Follow her YouTube. But she's gonna help me out today, and it's gonna be a fun vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I have it does.
What do you mean?
It flips up.
Like the screen flips up?
Yeah, so you can
So you
see.
probably have. So you have a Sony.
No.
Okay, sorry guys.
It's my friend.
This is Caitlin.
Hi.
She's a really good friend of mine. Very close, very close now.
Not looking at this man.
We're talking about her camera, and I was gonna show you guys what I have here in this box.
It is pretty loud in here.
Yeah, no. We're gonna be shooting with some Kodak UltraMax 400, and I recently got this other film camera. It's a Canon Snappy TX with a 35mm 1 to a 3.8. So there's this little button right here. Isn't that cool? Like,
It's cool, yeah.
who would have thought? Do you know how to load film?
Did. I don't know
You
if I
did.
remember.
Do you want to try it?
No. I don't want to ruin it.
That's fine. Hopefully that's gonna go. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go around and shoot a little bit, see what we can find. I'm mostly here just because I want to get photos of Caitlin.
So good.
Just a little film photography. It's not really gonna be me focusing on the camera here today, so it's gonna be mostly getting the sightfulness of everything, and we'll go from there. You wanna say anything, Caitlin?
Don't have to bend down.
Okay. Do you have anything else to say? Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Your hair in front of you, like as much as possible. One step into the sunlight. Got the shots that I've wanted. One at the bookstore, apparently. It's not a library, guys.
Library.
It's not a library, it's a bookstore. And we got one in a very busy intersection. And I hope that they come out really good. I'm not really gonna vlog as much today because it's really hot. It's not that hot, but I have to carry my camera. We're gonna go eat something right now. I'm thinking maybe sushi. Caitlin wants sushi.
Sure, yeah.
I kinda want sushi too.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Yes.
Tell me your honest opinion today.
Honest opinion. Well, I hated him at first because he was late.
I was told that, yeah.
Like like 40 minutes late, guys.
That's not true, guys.
No, it's true.
It was like
I could show you the DMs.
it was like 10 minutes. 10 minutes late.
I wish. But after that, it was alright. It was fine.
She didn't like me because I wasn't responsive, and
I mean, he was driving, so.
I was driving, so I couldn't really fix a drive.
But still.
So I'm the worst guy here right now. Don't
Pretty
ever
much.
book me. Don't. It's that time. We just finished eating. Sorry that I didn't really record that much. See, I just feel like Caitlin's a little kind of short.
Kind of.
We're probably gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna probably go home, spend some time editing this footage, and then hopefully I can get Caitlin's information. Her Snap,
Yes.
her Twitter.
Not my Twitter.
Okay, that's fine. Your Instagram, we'll probably put it in the link below.
Yes.
Thanks again for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys like it. I will probably put the locations that we shot at as everyone want to check it out. I don't know if you would, but it's really cool. It's Chicago. We're going to New York in a bit, so I was trying to get this camera to work worth my money and worth the time that I spent figuring out how it works. I got some practice in it, and that's basically the video. I hope you guys like the photos I took and the locations we shot at. Peace.